Ladies and gentlemen, here are the toys that I will be playing with for the next 3 weeks. 289D, 279, and 2 Cat 308s, one being brand new. That is awesome. All right, so we just arrived in Coloma, Wisconsin. Seen a lot of things up here going up the drive. Jeff, how was the drive for you, buddy? Fun. Yeah, pretty easy.
Pretty easy.
Diesel rides pretty good, doesn't she?
Yes, she does.
Being an 05, she's in really good shape. Got her for a steal. So obviously we got the client's house here. We got a whole bunch of dirt piled up over there. So my guess is that's where our pond is going to be. It looks like everybody's already here. And there's, oh, there he is. There he is. Hiya, Puddin'! What's going on, everybody? Christopher Yaks here, Aquascapes of Michiana, up in Coloma, Wisconsin. And I am taking the walk down the main drive here, going to my nice little new play toys I get for the next 3 weeks. So, yeah, beautiful country out here, right in the middle of it looks like a pine tree farm, or an old pine tree farm, because we got a lot of pine trees and a lot of straight rows, as you guys can kind of see around here and stuff like that. Now, there's our project over there, there's the client's house right there, and here are our new toys coming up the drive. We've actually got 2 Cat 308s, 22,000 pound machines. We got a Cat 279, which is a track skid steer, and a Cat 289, which is another track skid steer. And we're gonna be able to do a lot of work in a short amount of time with these things. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but Carl's got his arms up. Oh my God. Carl giving everybody a show, ladies and gentlemen, in the new Cat 308. Got out here yesterday evening and just kind of looked at the project, talked with the client, and great dude. Nate seems like a really great guy. Loves the aquascape lifestyle, and that's why he wants what he wants out here. And you know, we got back to the Airbnb. Great farmhouse from 1906, and great place. Thank you. I forgot, I'll get the name of it. I think it's like Hillard Adventures or something like that. And great place. The rent, we're actually the first people to rent the house. Not the first people to stay there as renters, but the first people to actually book the house and rent it all out for something like this. We got Jeff Michaels here from Pondering Waters, taking our other cat. We got Damian Drager. He's trying to get one going right now. What?
Not this one, Jeff don't start it.
Okay, I'll get it.
I didn't walk down here just to walk back up.
Oh, okay, all right, that's fine. Then it looks like I'm walking back up. Because I was coming to get in my machine.
Well, we were all here. And we were
So, I thought you were up there.
We were in the delivery queue.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Can I ride in the bucket?
Oh my gosh, there's an OSHA violation. OSHA? I don't even know her.
Yeah. OSHA who? Who's that lady? But, so yeah, we got here last night, and we had our first meeting, just going over the project, going over wind direction. We want to work with nature, not against nature. We've already made some changes to the design in that aspect of where our intake system's going to go, and where waterfalls are going to go. And we've actually added a small waterfall and stream. Oh, and there we go. And we're off to the races. All right, I'm gonna have a seat. So like I was saying, we had our first meeting yesterday, and we've already made changes to the design. We've already figured out some things that haven't been ordered or weren't ordered originally that we are going to need. And we're getting all of that, all of those logistics and supply changes done and ready to go, so this project goes as smoothly as humanly possible. And I think we've got a really great start. We've already got rock showing up. We're actually getting the machines back there now so I can get them fitted with my GoPros and cameras and all that kind of stuff. I'm actually riding in the bucket of the machine. OSHA, don't say nothing. But, we're actually gonna start getting things cleared out and go from there. So I'll catch you guys later. What's up? I'm back on day number 1 of the Damian Drager 4D experience. And we have got the pond actually dug. So didn't really take much. We had a lot of it excavated. But as you guys can see behind me, we got the center all done. We had our 2 Cat 308s in there. We actually got a lot more. Flip you guys around. We actually got a lot of our boulders in, some of our boulders in. We got a lot more coming in. We already went ahead and staged over here. We got our middle excavated. We got it up here. I took the Cat and I started back dragging because actually we do need to raise this to almost to the top of that stake there to get this to grade where it needs to be in comparison to that side. That side is actually higher than this side. So we've got Steve down there, he's compacting. We've got Aaron, he's got the loppers, he's cutting off all the stuff. And we're getting all of our edges. You guys can see we've kind of taken everything, gotten all the stuff up from the forest that was here before. Got some big piles we're gonna have to move today. We got another one behind Carl and the other Cat 308. Who, by the way, loves that machine so much that he hasn't even gotten out of it today. So he ate his lunch right in that Cat. He has not moved from that spot. I don't know if it happens to be the Midwest humidity compared to his California desert, you know, dryness that's really got him staying in there, and the air conditioning and whatnot, but he hadn't moved. But as you guys can see, we got another pile over there. We're getting all that cleared. We're getting all this to grade or rough grade basically, and getting all of our spoils out of there up to here. And then I'm just kind of back dragging it into places we need it. We got one issue though, one major issue though. Supplier that was supplying the materials for this shorted us a 50 by 100 liner. Yeah, we were supposed to get 2 and they came today and they only had 1 on the truck. So hopefully they make it right and they get it to us expeditedly. So that way it doesn't mess us up, because tomorrow is day 2. I want liner in this thing. I want it seamed. I want to start setting rocks. So I want to get this thing going. So hopefully supplier, go ahead and make this right and you get us that liner that we're going to need. So, but in the meantime, we're going to keep doing some site prep. We're going to be doing some more tear out, getting more boulders staged and all that kind of stuff, and we'll be back. See ya.